Hey everybody, it's Amara and Brian. Say hi, Amara.
Hi.
What we're gonna do today is we got a new drone, so we're gonna do some testing, and Amara is gonna be my test subject, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go look at the drone. See what it. All right, go show them, Amara. What's it look like? Whoa! It's our drone. It's the Mavic 2S. So we're gonna go fly. So hang tight, and you'll get to chase Amara. So this is Amara standing out in the field saying hello, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, she's bolted. So now we're trying to chase her. Where are you gonna go now, Amara?
That way.
Oh man, you juked me. So as you can see, Amara's fast. You're
Yeah.
running through the bushes? What are you doing there?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god. And that's her waving at the drone. And I'm trying to get recentered. Since I'm backwards, I'm going the wrong way. And then I'm coming at her. It's like another scene from Terminator, baby. Oh gosh, she juked. Where'd you go?
It's all different colors.
Yeah. What do you think about this part coming up? I thought was pretty cool. This is where the blast off. It looked like you liked this one. Oh, look at that face. Oh man, can you feel the wind of the drone?
Yeah.
Let's blast off. And then you were like, whoa, look how high. Did
Now
it
this is the crazy
oh,
part.
and it's coming back. You're like, oh gosh. Did you think it was going to crash on you? Oh, look at this. Oh boy. Oh, and then we did some, there's a chase number 2. We're doing a little testing, and then she's bolting. Oh gosh. Oh, she juked. She got real good at juking. When you have the drone on cinematography mode, it is not good at cornering, and she took full advantage of that. Ew, stinky. Oh, she's running it up. So she kept bolting. So yeah, I got to remember next time I got to go in full sport mode, because there is a sport mode on the drone. This is our little frame up shot where we were going to say hi. And then the cool thing about this drone is it has like pre-mapped sort of things it does, and this is one of them called the Helix. And basically what this does, you pick a target and it floats around. And how was it pretty far up there, baby? Could you see it when it was flying that route? Oh yeah, look, it's super far. And then, so yeah, what it does is it does its predetermined route and flies, and it's got really nice panoramic views. We use this in real estate and stuff like that, but it was really fun to play out there. And then this is us saying bye-bye, right? Say bye-bye. No, you have to say it. You can't wave.
Bye-bye.
Say thanks for watching our movie.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time.
No.